Hi students, very good morning to you. Thank you for giving your responses. And today we will discuss about very important problem. See this one. So this problem is solved by three methods. Method 1, method 2, method 3. And understand that for every problem how we are approaching, how we can solve the same problem in three different ways. Method 1, I think you know this method. So method 2 also I will tell you. Method 3 is the very easy one. So you listen from method 1 to method 3 carefully and note down this also. Right? See this one. So A, B, C are the three verses of a triangle and D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC. D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC. Now we have to find the verses ABC. Okay, understand the problem? D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC. Now we have to find the verses. Right? So this is the method 1. Method 1. So now we are doing in first method. In first method, I am taking the verses A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, and C point x3, y3. These are the 3 points A, B, C. Right. What about the D in the first case? What is the D equal to midpoint of BC? D equal to midpoint of BC. What is the D point? 1, 3 equal to, what is the midpoint of these two? x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Now compare this one. x2 plus x3 equal to 2 into 1. x2 plus x3 equal to 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 6. y2 plus y3 equal to 6. This is the first one. This is the second equation. Okay. So D is the midpoint of BC. After this one, now take the E. What is the E equal to? Midpoint of AC. E equal to midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. AC. What is the E point? 7, 5. What is the midpoint of AC? x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. Now compare this one. 2 into 7, 14. x1 plus x3 equal to 14. y1 plus y3 equal to 10. Whatever this one, third equation. This is the fourth equation. Right? Next, whatever the F? F equal to midpoint of AB. F equal to midpoint of AB. What is the F? 5, 9 equal to, what is the midpoint of AB? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now cross multiply. 2 into 5, 10. x1 plus x2 equal to 10. y1 plus y2 equal to 18. What is this one? This is the fifth equation. This is the sixth equation. Now we have the six equations. Right. How you solve and how you find the verses. See this one. Now take 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5. What is the 1 plus 3 plus 5? x2 plus x3 plus third one x1 plus x3 plus fifth one x1 plus x2 equal to, what is the value? 2 plus 14 plus 10. x2 2 times, x1 2 times, x3 2 times. 2 times of x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 16 plus 10, 26. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 13. x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 13. Now see the first equation. What is the x2 plus x3 equal to 2? Substitute here. x2 plus x3 equal to x1 plus 2 equal to 13. x1 equal to 11. x1 equal to 11. Again see. I am using the first and this is the seventh equation. 1 and 7. x2 plus x3 equal to x1 plus 2 equal to 13. x1 equal to 13 minus 2, 11. Right, now see the third and seventh one. x1 plus x3 equal to 14. x1 plus x3 equal to 14. 14 plus x2 equal to 13. x2 equal to minus 1. Next this one. x1 plus x2 equal to 10. 10 plus x3 equal to 13. x3 equal to 3. So that is the way we got the values x1, x2, x3. Next one. Second plus fourth plus 6. Second plus fourth plus 6. In the same way we get 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3. 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to how much? 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 plus 18. 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 16 plus 18. 34. Then what is the y1 plus y2 plus y3? y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 17. y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 17. Now use the, let it be the eighth equation. Now see this one, second and eighth one. What is the y2 plus y3? 6. y1 plus 6 equal to 17. So y1 equal to 11. y1 plus y2 plus y3 6. y1 plus 6 equal to 17. y1 equal to 11. Next see this one. y1 plus y3 equal to 10. 10. 10 plus y2 equal to 17. y2 equal to 17 minus 10. 7. y1 plus y2 equal to 18. 18 plus y3 equal to 17. y3 equal to minus 1. Then whatever the point A, what is the point A? x1 comma y1. A point x1 comma y1 equal to 11 comma 11. So that is the first point. And what are the point B? x2 y2. B point x2 y2 equal to, what are the x2? Minus 1 comma y2 7. What is the C point? x3 y3. C x3 y3 equal to, C point x3 y3 equal to 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. In this way, what is the first point we got? Ax1 y1 is 11 comma 11. And what is the second point? Second point minus 1 comma 7. What is the third point? 3 comma minus 1. So this is the method 1. Okay. So in this way we solve the 6 equations and we get the answer. So A point, B point, C point, in this way we get. Okay students. Now let us go through the method 2. This method you know. Now let us see the method 2. Right students. Now see the method 2. Okay. So method 1 we have solved already. Now see the method 2. So D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides of triangle ABC. Now I take the point A point as alpha comma beta. A point as alpha comma beta. B point as sum P comma Q. And C point as sum H comma Q. These are the 3 points. A point alpha beta, B P comma Q, C point H comma Q. Now what are this one? Right, first one. What are the F point? F equal to midpoint of AB. F equal to midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. So 5 comma 9 equal to, what is the midpoint of AB? P plus alpha by 2 comma Q plus beta by 2. Now compare this one. P plus alpha equal to 10. Q plus beta equal to 18. P equal to 10 minus alpha. Q equal to 18 minus beta. Okay. Now see this one. What is the E equal to? Midpoint of E equal to midpoint of AC. What is the E point? 7 comma 5 equal to midpoint of AC. Alpha plus h by 2 comma beta plus k by 2. Now cross multiply. Alpha plus h equal to 14. Beta plus k equal to 10. What is the h value? 14 minus alpha, comma, what is the k value? 10 minus beta. So that is the hk values. Now see this one D. What is the D? Midpoint of BC. D equal to midpoint of BC. What is the D point? 1 comma 3 equal to what is the midpoint of BC? P plus H by 2 comma Q plus K. Q plus K by 2. Cross multiply this one. P plus H equal to 2 comma and Q plus K. Q plus K equal to 6. P plus H equal to 2 comma Q plus K equal to 6. What is the P value? 10 minus alpha. What is the P value? 10 minus alpha plus what is the H value? 14 minus alpha equal to 2. 10 plus 14, 24 minus 2 alpha equal to 2. Now cancel the 2. 12 minus alpha equal to 1. Now take the alpha that side. Alpha equal to 12 minus 1, 11. So alpha equal to 11. Now see the next one. Q plus K. What is the Q value? 18 minus beta plus what is the K value? 10 minus beta equal to 6. 18 plus 10, 28 minus 2 beta equal to 6. Cancel 2. 14 minus beta equal to 3. Then what is the beta equal to? 11. Now what is the point A? Alpha comma beta equal to 11 comma 11. So that is the A point. Now what about B point? See, B point. P comma Q. B point is P comma Q. What is the B value? 10 minus alpha. 10 minus 11 minus 1 comma. 18 minus 11, 7. And what is the C point? H comma K. H comma K equal to what is H comma K? 14 minus alpha, 11. 14 minus 11, 3. 10 minus 11 minus 1. So that is the points A, B, C. So 11 comma 11, 11 comma 11. And what is the B point? P comma Q? Minus 1 comma 7. And what is the C point? 3 comma minus 1. So this is the method 2. So we can solve the same problem by this method also. The method 3 is the very easy one. No need of these all things. That is the very easy. Right. Let us see that one. Right, students. Now see the method 3. Right. In this way, how we can solve this one? Just see. This very easily we solve the first part. That A point is equal to, just for A point, add these two, subtract the opposite one. Add these two, subtract the opposite one. See, 5 plus 7, 12. What is the 12 minus 1? 11. That is the first one. Again I am telling you, for A point, add these two, subtract the opposite one. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 1, 11. And 9 plus 5, 14. 14 minus 3, 11. So that is the A point. So A equal to what we have done? F plus E minus D. And for the B point, add these two, subtract the opposite one. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 7, minus 1. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. So that is the easy. Again, I am telling you, for B point, F plus D minus D. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 7, minus 1. 9 plus 3, 12 minus 5, 7. And again C point, just to tell you C point, what is C equal to? Adding these two, subtracting opposite one. D plus E minus F. What is the one? 1 plus 7, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 9, minus 1. Okay, so that is the easy one. So C point is add these two. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 plus 5, 8 minus 9, minus 1. So that is the way we get the 3 points very easily. No need of that much calculations. So in this method we can do this problem very easily. Right students? And one more thing, what is the use of this one? Suppose they are asking about the centroid of triangle DEF. Suppose they are not giving the verses of ABC. ABC verses are not given. They only given the DEF. But they are asking the centroid of triangle ABC. Let us see the relation between them. You know the centroid formula? What is the centroid of triangle ABC formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Centroid of triangle DEF. Centroid of triangle DEF. So first I am finding centroid of triangle DEF. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So what is this equal to? DEF 1 plus 7 plus 5. 1 plus 7 plus 5 by 3 comma 3 plus 5 plus 9. 3 plus 5 plus 9 by 3. What is this equal to? 8 plus 5, 13 by 3 comma 14 plus 9, 8 plus 9, 17 by 3. So this is the centroid of triangle DEF. What is the centroid of triangle ABC? Centroid of triangle ABC. Centroid of triangle ABC. Same formula. x1 plus x2 plus x3. 11 minus 1 plus 3 by 3 comma 11 plus 7 minus 1. 11 plus 7 minus 1 by 3. That is equal to 14 minus 1, 13 by 3 comma 18 minus 1, 17 by 3. So what you observe this one? Centroid of triangle ABC is same as centroid of triangle DEF. Okay, so this is a very important result. Okay, note down this one. So you listen from starting to ending. Okay, and note down this in the separate notes. Right students?